Hi everyone, welcome to Cool Kid Stuff. Today I'm really late, but I'm going to be reviewing the Lego Friends Advent Calendar of 2014. I'm really sorry I didn't get to review it. It's because I got too excited on Christmas Day. I forgot to film it. So I packed everything up again, and I'm gonna open it for you guys. Now, some stuff is already built, so you're just gonna have to see it built, but I'll show you how to put some stuff together. So let's get started. So first box, we're gonna open number 1, and in number 1, I put the mini doll, Mia, and this is Mia right here. Wait, it's not focusing on it. Hold on 1 second, guys. Okay, here's Mia. Come on, focus. Okay, there we go. That's Mia. Okay, I don't have a tripod right now, so sorry about the thing. Okay, this way. And can't get to balance. Oh,